Hi.
Hi YouTube viewers, it's me Selena. This is my friend Felicia, who is
I'm a dinosaur.
random. And this is Johnny I'm on the phone with. Yes.
My boyfriend's like text.
Yeah. So we got bored, decided to do a random video, so here it is. Let's let Felicia go. Roar.
Gabur.
Grr. Anyway, hold on a sec, Johnny.
I'm gonna lick you.
Have fun with that.
And now you can hear Johnny.
I'm gonna lick him.
Okay.
Okay, so let's put some music on in the background.
Ooh, we could dance.
We could dance. Let's do this. YouTube. Woo. Yeah, I know. We're doing YouTube music while making a YouTube video. That's just how awesome we are.
This is my phone.
Yeah, that's her phone.
It's white.
This is mine.
It's
And-
white like me.
And on the phone is Johnny.
Pick a song.
Okay, let's do.
Let's do something like the next one.
Oh, I'll pick one. Hold on. Favorites list.
Ooh, I like the heart one.
No, we're not playing that one. You can't dance to that. We can dance to this.
Man.
Wait. Do any of you know a pretty rave girl? Please comment and let us know. Because I like friends to party with. Do you know any really hot pretty rave girls?
Good to know. I like you.
We're dancing like completely right now on my YouTube video.
Ooh, it's my neck.
This is a sexy necklace. It is. It really is. Yes. Sexy necklace.
It's my necklace.
This is my best friend. If you give us any weird requests, we're pretty sure to do them.
We will do them.
Because we're pretty psycho. So please just comment random requests. Doesn't really matter to us what it is. But try and keep it unexplicit.
Batman!
We'll do it.
Hey!
Oh,
My
we have
brother
people
just
walking
walked
in. I'm making a YouTube video. So and Matt and his friend. Yes.
Not down.
I know, son. Felicia. And now